they never get helicopters, and he just went the other way. Maybe it's just practice. The air base is over that way. Just a couple minutes later, a couple minutes down the road, I am another one, or the same guy, going back and forth. We never have that. Who are they looking for? I'm gonna have to go check in with the news, maybe. Huh. And again, it's about 5 minutes. I'm walking down I guess it's a highway, the main road. The base is over there, but they're more or less just going around and around. This guy's red. It's not the county fair. They're not giving helicopter rides. Okay, so it's about 15 minutes since I've seen the last thing in the sky. The funny thing is when I came back over to quote unquote my side of town, or my usual route, they stopped flying over. No. Maybe we're just at war and they're getting the base ready. Perhaps.